realize the fact that humanity will always rationalize things and react on that basis. Even recent history would testify to that. And my eyes opened to these issues, for example, when in the 70s I realized, I'm talking about the suffering of humanity. In the 70s I realized that after the Vietnam War, a generation would have learned about the consequences of human misery and would stay away from wars. And in the 80s and 90s I again saw wars happening close to us, while one superpower beat its chest and said that we have learned and the other superpower will now learn. Both of them didn't learn. And the human misery continues and it doesn't end. And I have come to the conclusion that it is generational. The human mind has bugs. The bug is love and hate, both phobias. The professor here mentioned the fact that there are 2 crore mentally ill patients. I can point out to a significant number in the politics of Pakistan.
That's true, sir. Absolutely.